What's up guys, Tiny Tiger here. This is a bonus video. Me and my fiance were coming home from dinner, and in our driveway we found these two adorable little kittens. They're two girls. They were out in the rain, and we decided to bring them in, bathe them, get rid of any fleas we found, give them some food, some water, and a place to potty until we can, you know, find them homes. I don't think we're going to be able to keep them. We have way too many already. But, yeah, I thought I'd just share with you guys what's going on over here. And we also gave her a little bed right here. Yeah.
Yeah. Not so much.
There's a number of stray cats around in our area, so they must have been from a litter that's from one of these stray cats. Lay in your bed.
Beautiful.
They're a little cold.
Nasty.
It's getting late, so I'm gonna head to bed and figure out what we're gonna do with these kittens in the morning. We might end up fostering them and trying to find homes for them, so we'll figure that out.
Me?
I will see you guys in the morning. Here we are in the morning. I'm about to give Scylla her meal before I go and check on those kittens. And grapes. Grapes is about the only fruit she doesn't turn down either. Yummy, yummy. Get a fruit. Here, get a fruit. Get a fruit. No? Okay. Okay, bye, Stella. Still raining out there, too. It's a good thing we got him out of that rain. Here we are. Look at them. See, they dried nicely. Probably gonna give them another flea bath tonight. Make sure there's nothing on them. I'm gonna call Lifeline, and they will help out with any vaccinations and stuff like that they need. We'll foster them and we'll find them homes. These little guys. Sorry, that's my dog. She wants to meet these kittens. Alright, well, I'll give an update I'll make an update video on these guys, so you guys can see if they go to good homes and whatnot.